Okay, so this is how you take down concrete without a jackhammer or any power tools or even a chisel. So he's got a piece of PVC pipe about 3/4 inch diameter with a concrete nail driven through it. So the pipe is the handle, the concrete nail is the chisel, and you just drive the nail in and break pieces off. And he's taken off almost a foot of that concrete just using that little device. And well, he started out on this piece of scaffolding, and now to get more comfortable, he's just throwing a piece of wood up here on the gate. And his partner's doing the same thing. Another Filipino rig scaffold. So I hope these guys are okay. I really don't. I don't want to go to any hospitals today. So we're going to finish up painting today, probably almost completely, except for the outside on the eaves here. And then we're getting ready to go with Rico. We're going to go purchase some steel to build the garage with. Uh-oh. And we got Alan here. He's going to work on the front door. So we got a nice solid front door with beautiful wood grain finish already on it. He's going to make it look even better. And the fabulous Antonietta. Hello, Antonietta.
Hi.
She's back cleaning and painting and working hard for her sister. Her sister is a terrible boss. She's just so mean. Right, sister? Why are you wearing a mask?
Why are you disturbing with me?
You don't need no mask.
Huh? Why are you disturbing?
I'm disturbing you?
Yes.
Disturbing you? How about if I bother you instead of disturb you? Ay, knuckle. The lovely Maricel, a guy, soon to be Maricel Withers. We went to marriage counseling yesterday. And the lady who led the first seminar, it was like a 3-hour class, she told people, says, you should just say I love you sometimes, and I'm sorry. So just love each other and apologize to each other and be considerate of each other. So last night, Maricel, instead of saying, I love you and I'm sorry, she said, I'm sorry, I love you. Oh, no. She didn't know the difference. She thought it was the same thing. So I was laughing. All right, here's Nana in here at the kitchen. Hello, Nana. And she is cooking some fish in the wok. A little oil, got some garlic. You have ajo.
Isda
is the Saudi word for fish. Well, I had to go buy a new tank today. Price gas propane tank, and that first one lasted probably about almost 3 months. We use them pretty heavy lately, so at least 3 months on a tank for one little house here. So that's not too bad, and it cost about $20 to fill. Here's Jacinto out here painting. What are you working on, Jacinto? He's on the outside wall. He's cutting in. So the wall's been painted, but it has not been cut in yet. So we're cutting in today. And we got GR out here somewhere. Hello, GR. He's over there in the corner of the garden by himself, working steadily on the concrete posts. He's over there with the Tuco. Say hello to the Tuco, GR. Tuco. Tuco is the same thing as a gecko. Tuco is the word for gecko here in the Philippines. And at night, the gecko makes a sound like Tuco. And here's our lady chicken. She's still sitting on her eggs. She's on there at least 17 days. So we should be having some chicks here in a few days. It rained last night. Gave me a pretty good shower, and it sounded so beautiful on our roof. We have a tin roof, or galvanized steel roof, but a metal roof, and it sounded really nice. So that's a walk around of the house this morning on day 16. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and we're getting a lot done this morning. Tito Jeff here at Ormoc City, Leyte the Philippines. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.